So I got the wheel spacers in. The good news is it no longer rubs on the frame, but there is going to be some additional clearancing needed. As you can see right here, whenever I back up under, anyway, it rubs there. And it also rubs right here. I don't know if you can kind of see where it's rubbing there. But what I'm going to do is take this black piece off and see if I can't put a little hammer action on there just to kind of, I'm not even sure what's behind it yet, but this right here I already cut off because it was sticking out straight, and I went ahead and cut it off because it was an immediate concern with it being metal right there. But yeah, 1-inch spacers clear the frame, but still have some rubbing, clearancing issues to finish everything up. Not too bad though. Hopefully you can see that, but I got the piece off, and as sunny as it is out here, it's probably still dark. But anyway, it's rubbing here, and it rubs here, because that's where this, if you can tell, that's where the black piece would be riding. And you can see where it was rubbing. Sorry, I'm trying to hold the camera and do it. But you can see where it was rubbing. So I'm gonna cut this back, trim this back a little bit, and I'm just gonna leave this tab for this to screw back to. And yeah, there's nothing in there. It's just the fender. It's nothing major. So trim it back and get it back on, make sure everything's good and clearance, but it should be fine because, like I said, it's barely even catching. Not here anymore. I already clearanced that, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off even more just to be safe, now that I know it's metal back there. Got it cut out, and then took a hammer and persuaded the edges a little bit so that they are no longer sticking out sharp. I don't know if that's there we go. And then I just kind of bent that back a little bit. Put the plastic piece back up so you can see the difference. So overall it took out about 1 inch of material. Make sure nothing's hitting. And we'll be good. I'll do the other side, and if anything comes up different, I'll let you know. But I'm also gonna cut that out right there. I think this will be fine. I just need to clearance this right here. So we'll see. So just to keep you informed, this is what's getting trimmed right in here. All right, so after clearancing, it did fix any rub issues. I can still hear it audibly rubbing a little bit on these, but I'm not too worried about that. It'll eventually wear off wherever it's rubbing. It's probably on this edge. But yeah, no more frame rub, no more sway bar rub. Front is clearanced, 1-inch spacers. You can hardly tell. I mean, just barely pokes it out a little bit. So pretty happy. Later.